What it do, y'all? Back with another video, man. You know what I'm saying? Your boy just made $50 off of the SPY. And I actually made some extra money off of Apple. Let me show y'all what Apple doing. This is Apple stock right here. My entry was over the green line. Boom. Got out right up there because I ain't want to be too greedy. Let me show y'all what I did with the SPY. The SPY was so beautiful. Right here, I bought me some contracts right in here in my demand zone. Rolled it up. Boom. Took my profits up there. All right, now that's the money off the SPY. Now let me show y'all the money off of Apple. One second. There we go. Boom. 170 contracts. There we go. $25 off of Apple for a total of $75 today. I am growing this small account day by day. I will show y'all the ups and the downs. So far, I have had all green days. You know, knock on wood, if I had any wood by me. But yeah, I'm very confident in what I do. So just wanted to show y'all, man, like live in front of Planet Fitness. 30 minutes until I go get my next load. Let's go. All right, so we here at the pickup location. I just got my load. One skid, about 200 pounds. On the way to, let me see, Mount Vernon, Illinois. About 300, close to 400 miles. Not too bad of a trip. Feeling great, man. This morning is, honestly, since I got my laptop, man, I've been feeling great about this, everything. Like, I've been missing trading, I'm not gonna lie. And the way I'm trading now is not like a substantial amount that's gonna really hurt me if anything goes wrong. So just, you know, having fun right about now. Made $75 off just a few hundred this morning. I'm honestly used to making like 1,000 or 500 a day back when I had a lot of money in the account. But now I just size down, you know, because I'm out here and I'm not at my station trading desk. But yeah, man, it feels like a great morning. And I'll check back in with y'all when I get to my drop off. Have a good one. Your boy's in a country town, man. Country town, country town. I done dropped off my load on the way to a Planet Fitness. This town ain't got nothing. There's no Planet Fitness. It was barely a Subway. None of my gas stations. Closest Walmart was 30 minutes away. How you know this town ain't got nothing? Nathaniel. This is the best view I've seen, goddamn. A little bit of nothing. What's going on, man? I'm live from the back of the van. Just chilling. Waiting for my next load in the morning. Watching me some Hulu. Some show called Euphoria. My girl, she loves it, so I'm gonna watch it and see what it's about. But yeah, dropped off my load. I'm at a pilot. Few minutes, well, an hour away. It was nothing in that area, so about 30 minutes from my pickup in the morning. I'm gonna try to get there pretty early so I can try to get an extra load tomorrow if possible. I always try to be ahead of time. If they can let me load up, we'll go from there. But yeah, I'm just checking in with y'all, chilling for the rest of the night, and I'll be back active in the morning. Come 9:30, you know I'm gonna be on that computer. Actually, I'm about to watch, well, chart me a few stocks and see what I like to play for tomorrow. And then, you know, we'll just go from there. See you. All right, I'm back. This is what I'm checking out for tomorrow, man. This is a stock named SPY, S-P-Y. And, yeah, this is right here. It's called the trend line. And I'm on TraderView.com. There it is up there. TradingView.com. Get you a subscription. They may even have a free month or something like that. And the way you trade, I trade off of Thinkorswim, TD Ameritrade. There's two different apps. Thinkorswim, you actually trade off of. TD Ameritrade, it's like more of an investment. Like you can see your long term, everything like that. But Thinkorswim is what you actually trade off of. So right now, this is what I'm looking for tomorrow. This red zone means a supply area. The green is demand, and basically supply and demand, you know. Supply is when you sell, demand is when you buy. So once it gets to this area right here, I feel like it could bounce, because notice that it had a little chill period and boom, you know, came back down, bounced right off that area. So basically, you know, that's what we're doing. But right now, we just broke structure today. This trend line right here, as long as you get you 1 or 2 touches, it's a valid trend line. This third touch, all these touches right here, these touches right here, actually, you know, they confirmed that we just broke structure. Now we're officially in a slow, it's a mini downtrend, because if you go to the daily, we're kind of up in an uptrend, but basically we're in a mini downtrend on the 30-minute time frame. So what I'm looking to do is, once this stock tomorrow comes and touch this line, I'm going to look to buy puts. And puts is basically a contract saying that you predict the stock to go down. Calls is when you predict the stock to go up. So I plan on buying some puts right here at this area and, riding it all the way down right into this demand zone. Once it hits this demand zone, I'll go ahead and take my profits, because they potentially could bounce just like right here, just like in this area right here. So, you know, if I got puts and it bounces and goes back up, you know, I'm going to start losing my money. But if I get it up here, ride it all the way down here, easy money, baby. So, yeah, that's what I'm looking for tomorrow. And I'll check back in with y'all at 9:30 in the morning when the market open and see how it goes. I have a load to pick up at around, I believe, 10. So it's going to be pretty tight. But I'm definitely going to try to get it in. I'm actually maybe going to wake up at 6 in the morning, try to get another hour or 2 of sleep right in the parking lot, and wake up, get me at least 30 minutes in, and try to just make a little bit of money and keep it moving. This is the truck and trader, you know, the trading trucker. This is the lifestyle. So it's definitely much better if you're at home. But if you can squeeze in a little bit of time, maybe get yourself loaded, you know, come back to the market and check it out before you got a few hours to get your load there. All you need is 30 minutes to an hour, man, and you can make endless money every day. So as long as you know what you're doing, you can make a lot of money every day. So this the trading trucker, you know. I'm out, and I'll check back in with y'all in the morning. Make sure y'all follow me on Instagram at the trading trucker. It'll be in the bio. And yeah, man, for sure. Yeah.
I ain't get a chance to update y'all on the little trade I did, man, but I got a load in the back. I'm in Michigan now, about to drop it off. But yeah, the trade went all bad. I was trying to do too much, like trying to pick up my load. I was actually in a play, and I ended up losing way more than I wanted to. So back to the drawing board with that. Told y'all I'm gonna show y'all the ups and downs, and pretty difficult to trade while you on the road, not gonna lie. But it's not the end. I just gotta regroup, you know what I'm saying, go back to the drawing board, come back stronger. But right now I am on a load. I'm dropping it off in Michigan, and yeah, I'm gonna hit y'all up in a minute.
I got double loaded today, 3,000 pounds. Strap that baby down, going in the X all the way up to the front. Boom. Got one going around right here, making sure, you know, stay good. Off to North Carolina from Michigan. This is gonna be a journey. Just an update. Riding through Tennessee right now, making my way to North Carolina. This was such a perfect load because I wanted to get back to Atlanta. I didn't really want to stay in my van all weekend. That would have been just frustrating. Not frustrating, but just like, you know, draining. So that was perfect. They got me from Michigan all the way to North Carolina, 3 hours from the house. And I'm literally going to go ahead and make that trip. But yeah, it is 7:30 a.m. right now. I just got from the pilot. I had to pull over and take a nap for about an hour. But yeah, I'm just checking in with y'all, man. And And I'll let y'all know when I drop this off, and I'll be making my way to the crib, and we'll conclude this video. Well, just when I thought I was about to go home, they called me again. I have been loaded 7 days this week. Well, actually, I believe 6. One was a dry run, but I still got paid for it. This has been a phenomenal week. Phenomenal week. Amazing week. And I am very thankful for all of that. Yeah. So I'm about to go pick up a load 60 miles away from where I just dropped off. I'm still going home today, and I will chill for about 24 hours. I will leave Atlanta maybe around 5 o'clock tomorrow, 5 p.m. I have to deliver this load to Michigan by 6 in the morning, so I give myself some time. I might leave around 5 p.m., you know, and I'll make it perfectly. So yeah, because Michigan from Atlanta is about a 9 to 10 hour drive. So if I leave around 4 to 5, give me a nice 2 to 3 hour nap, knock it out, be there by 6, go back to sleep. Pretty sure they're gonna call me around 8 or 9, so that's 3 more hours. And yeah, that'll be perfect. So yeah, I'm just letting y'all know, not going right back home. Been a phenomenal week, man. Phenomenal week. Besides the trading mishaps. Yeah, I mean, that was, I don't know what to say about that one, honestly. Just doing too much at one time, that's what I can say. Definitely, if you plan on trading and you're doing traveling, and I mean, not traveling, but expediting or driving 18-wheelers, I would say you should trade on the days where you know you're not as busy, you know, like usually in the market, when the market opens, 9:30 to about 10:30 is prime time to make as most money as you can. So if you know you're gonna be free from 9:30 to 10:30 or maybe 11, you can maybe go ahead and get you some trades in that day. But if you're pushing for time and you gotta pick up a load at 10 a.m. and the market opens at 9:30, might as well just call it a day, man. Don't even trade that day. And that's what happened to me. Like, it was 2 days where shit just, I mean, things just went wrong. And mainly it was just pushing for time, you know? If you're pushing for time, like I said, don't even worry about trading, man. You don't want to throw that money away like that, because you need to be able to focus at least for an hour. So I'll leave y'all with that, and then I'll show y'all this load I'm about to go pick up. And yeah, on the way to Atlanta, we're gonna leave the load in the back of the van overnight. I'll chill at the crib with my girl, and you know, just enjoy myself for a day. I'm back out straight up. It's crazy. This shit loud as hell. I don't know what they doing, but they dropping.
In a quarter mile, turn left onto Fire Station.
Just updating y'all on that last load I picked up. That load was a 600-pound one skid. It looks something like an engine for a big old truck, but I just wanted to check in with y'all, let y'all know I got that load. And yeah, it was one skid, 600 pounds, going to Michigan from North Carolina. So yeah, we out. See your boy looking smooth, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you don't know an expediter do it like this, man. Check back in with y'all. Peace.